into something which is very close to my heart, and that is helping the students. I am on a mission called the Mission 10 Million, through which I want to help the students smoothen their transition from campus to corporate. I want to make it faster, better, and more fulfilling, and avoid any bumps that they find along the way. The reason for this mission is I don't want the students to commit the same mistakes which I had made during my transition and during this whole journey. Definitely the students will have challenges, but my target is these challenges should be different than what I had seen and the mistakes that I had made, and how I am trying to execute my mission. I visit colleges, I engage with students, I conduct seminars, I conduct lectures. In the last 2 years, I have covered almost 40 colleges in person across Gujarat. Gujarat is my hometown. I am from a city called Baroda, from Gujarat. Many colleges in Delhi, a few in Punjab. And since this lockdown, I have started conducting webinars for students. So I have always ensured that I keep engaged with the students and I keep on sharing my experiences with them. I also connect with students via many social platforms. So I am very active on WhatsApp, which all of you would know the platform. Instagram is another such platform. Facebook, which is very common. And one of the most important platforms for students like you and for the people in the corporate world is LinkedIn. So I am also engaging with students on LinkedIn. And I would request all of you, if you are not a user of LinkedIn, please start using it. It is very necessary for a smooth transition from campus to corporate. So build your profile on LinkedIn, and during this presentation I will also explain how to engage with the corporates. Recently I also published a book only with the hope to increase my reach to the students. The book is on campus to corporate and beyond, the journeys for the students. In this book I have shared my experience, as I said, my learnings, and how can you transform this journey from campus to corporate, how can you make it better.